welcome back to my new video. I'm live right now. You're welcome back. So there was a day I told you guys about this IC. Okay, there was a day I told you guys about this IC, and I told you guys that today I'll do a video and show you guys how you can perfectly connect, and after connecting it will work. Okay, because I know for sure there are some technicians that find it difficult to repair a Bluetooth panel, a Bluetooth device that there's no sound. Okay, if your Bluetooth does not have sound, I will show you how you can build a simple amplifier circuit that will help you fix the issue. So with that time wasted, let's start the video. Please, if you're new here, please subscribe to this channel. I share videos that help you solve issues. Okay, so with that time wasted, let me start. So first of all, you need some things for you to be able to do it. Okay, so this is what we call ferro board. This is a board. Okay, we call this board ferro board. This is a ferro board. We call it ferro board. And here is the IC. Okay, this is the IC. So this is IC. So this is a deep pinned IC. So I'll show you how to connect it. No time to waste. So the next thing is you need a capacitor. This is a capacitor. This is 680 UF capacitor. You need 680 UF capacitor. So this is a variable resistor. So you need a 5K variable resistor. It's important. Get a 5K variable resistor. So with that time we say, let me start right now. So this is our ferro board. So the next thing is our IC. So we have to connect it. So let me put it this way. Take your time to do this. So we have MP3 here. So this is MP3. You can see this is MP3 device that is not sounding, no sound. So I'm going to build a sound, a small sound circuit, and put in this MP3, and the MP3 will start making noise. Okay, so let's solder. You need to solder it. So take your time to do that. Don't rush. So let me solder right now. So make sure that you don't put too much lead. Please don't put too much lead. Check this out. If you have any question, you're free. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. My dear technician, you may ask, Father Joe, please tell us the number of the IC. Okay, this is the number of the IC. I'm sure that you're seeing the number. This is TDA7052. So this is the number of the IC. This is a deep pin IC. Okay, this is a deep pin IC. So I'm going to use this IC to make sure that we have sound. Okay, because the MP3 I'm with right now does not have sound. So I want to build this small sound circuit and put in the MP3, and it will start making sound. Okay, so this is our first stage. We need to solder. As you can see, I'm done. So make sure you solder your own. The next thing is connecting all the pins. Okay, because we need to connect. If not, you'll not be able to turn the IC on. You will not be able to inject voltage. So we need to connect everything step by step. Okay, first thing here, let me show you. right here is the pin 1. Okay, this pin here we call it pin 1. This one is the pin 2, pin 3, pin 4. You can see the pin 4. Here is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we are going to start with the pin 1. Okay, we are going to start with the what? With the pin 1. So the pin 1 is the positive input. Okay, the pin 1 is the positive input of this IC. If you want to know the schematic of this IC, it's very simple. Just go to Chrome, just use any browser of your choice, put the IC number and check. Okay, let me check this thing. So this is a jumper wire. Make sure you get a jumper wire like this. Put a jumper wire, check this out. We bend it this way. You can see. Okay, the next thing is for you to apply lead. But before then, just make sure that the wire is stable. So drag it, just take your time. No, picker is give me picker. I'm going to make sure you set it well. If not, you will not have a good soldering. Mistake. So you can see. Stand. PCB stand. I see it. No, the other one. What do you see him for? Check his mistake also. Check this out. So this is the positive pin, which is the pin 1, is the positive input. So I'll bend this and put it here. You can see. It's a good. About it. Screener na abuk bok kiri. Andi bahasa binam gendo. Abuk bok kondo kiri bahasa binam gendo. 35. 35. So guys, you can see make up. I'm all ready. You're ready. I'm all ready for Benedy.
You are my friend. You are my daughter.
So this is capacitor. So we are going to put capacitor here. So this side is negative. This side here is positive. So put it this way. So guys, just take your time to do this. So this is the positive line. You can see this is the pin 1. You can see the positive line. So now we are looking for the negative. Okay, let me check for the negative line. Have in mind that this is the pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4. So for negative line, pin 3 is the negative line. Pin 3 and pin 6 is the negative line for this IC. So let's count pin 3. This is 1, 2, and 3. So this is pin 3. So this pin 3 is a negative. So let's connect negative. So I will still use my jumper wire to connect it. Apply so that I can come. Apply my color. My dear technician, please like this video, share this video to your friends, like and share so that the algorithm will recommend this video. Please, I want a lot of people to learn. I want a lot of people to learn. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel if you're new. I want a lot of people to learn. My dear technician, if you have question, you're free. Let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. So this is the negative of the capacitor. So we are going to link it. Let me link. You can see. You can see. Perfect work. I love this. Perfect work. Check this out. So now we are done with the pin 3, okay? We are done with the pin 3, which is the ground, the negative. Now let's check if we have any other negative here. Pin 6 is our next negative, okay? Pin 3 and pin 6 is negative. So let me connect pin 6, okay? For us to know the pin 6 is very simple. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? So this is the pin 6. You can see the pin 6. This pin is the pin 6, okay? Let's connect it. So this is the pin 6. So we are going to link from here to here, which is very, very simple, okay? Let's do that right now. Okay. So this is the pin 6, you can see. So I'll link it to this one. So I'm going to cut here. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. If you have any question concerning this video, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. You can see I'm done with the negative, the pin 6 negative. I'm done with it. Check this out. Good. So we only have few pin left, okay? Now let's count. This is pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, which is the negative. Pin 1 is the positive. Pin 3 is negative. Pin 4, I will connect that one later. So let's count all the negative first. Pin 1 is positive. Pin 2, pin 3 is negative. Pin 4, pin 5, pin 6 here is negative. This is the pin 6 is negative for pin 6, pin 7, pin 8, okay? So the next thing now is for us to look for pin 2, okay? You may ask, Father Joe, what is this pin 2? I want to know this pin 2. What is the function of this pin 2? This pin 2 is our audio input, okay? The pin 2 is our audio input. So this is where we are going to input our audio. Our audio input is the pin 2. Okay, so let's connect it. So for that, we need a variable resistor. So this is a variable resistor. You can see when you see 502 like this is a 5k variable resistor. So take note, this is a 5k variable resistor. You can use 10k, it will still work. You can also use 5k, it will still work perfectly. It all depends on how you want it. Okay, that's it. So let's connect it. You may ask, Father Joe, how will I be able to connect so that it will work? Okay, so right here, this particular point here, you can see this place here goes, this pin, okay, let me just say pin, this pin here goes to the input pin, which is the pin 2. So this is how I'm going to connect it. You should be very careful. Do not allow it to touch anything like that. Just make sure they are all separated. Okay, this is how I'm going to connect it. You can see how it is right now, and boom, you can see very clean circuit. You can see how it is, very clean circuit. You can see. I recommend you keep a little space so that if in case you want to connect wire, just give a little space and you're good to go. You can see, boom, you can see, very nice. So here we are going to link this one to the pin 2 first of all. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So let me bend this pin a little bit to this side. My dear technician, you can do this and make a lot of money. I know how much I've been making since I started doing this kind of circuit. I make a lot of money with this. It works for me like magic. So this is what I've been doing for my technicians that come to my shop, and not just that, for my customers. They all enjoy. Okay, so it's going to play loudly with bass and you enjoy yourself, bro. So let's connect. Okay. So first of all, let's apply lead here in the hole. Please do not put too much lead. If you put too much lead, you won't be able to do it. So don't apply too much of lead. Now let's put again in this hole. You want to make sure that you fill all the hole. Okay. The next thing is joining this. You can see, boom. You can see it's done. It's done. You can see. You can see. So here, one of these leg will go to the ground. So I'll choose either this one or this one will go to the ground. So I'll let this one go to the ground. This one will go to the ground. I'll let this one go to the ground. So for your own work, when you're doing your own, just choose any of this leg. Choose any of this leg. For me, this one will go to the ground. So let's apply lead. Check this out. Perfect. Okay, so this leg here is the audio input. You can see this leg here is the audio input, so this leg is responsible for the audio input. So we are going to stop from here and then connect the speaker and other things. Have in mind that we are going to test everything before we now connect some components and run up, and we are done for our circuit. We use it and it works like magic. Okay, so the next thing is checking all the pins and be sure that there's no mistake. You can see we don't have a single mistake here. There's no mistake. Make sure you don't do mistake, because if you do mistake, your work will be spoiled. Okay, you won't be able to start assembling all of this. You're going to spoil everything, so I don't recommend it. Okay, so now we are looking for pin 5. Okay, pin 5 is the speaker. We are looking for pin 5 and pin 8. Okay, pin 5 and pin 8 is responsible for speaking. It's responsible for speaker. So let me show you right now. This is pin 1. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is pin 5. Let's continue counting 6, 7, 8. So this is pin 8. So pin 5 and pin 8 is responsible for audio. So this is our jumper wire. We are going to do jumper from here. So if you have questions, you're free. Let me know in the comment section. If you have questions, you're free. You're free. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so let's apply lead. Okay, I'm done. You can see. So let's apply lead. So you can see I'm applying lead. Yeah. Ongere mume mega kira gbao. Some screen guide board game minga panga. Screen guide board game. No.
No, yeah, maybe not the emboss screen guide. But why do you
don't go wrong? I white arrow. Go me white arrow. Come for you, me white arrow.
born you for long sin. Your men and your immediate and no. Then go down here for women.
Go near you. Anytime you from
Yeah, do I die, you know? Yeah. Ahora mi campo es
Ikan mo sana. On
ahora
ga.
mi guille me que por no vivir ahora me dirían su mi cae. Ya. Bueno, mo yo me paso ahora no.
Ndio.
Me open na.
Okay.
Mo yang bon no ndong sim card sih. Kalau me ya di sini su.
Ina mambo. Awo yo ga mo so ya.
Cả mấy này cái nhiều gần bờ rụng bông.
Apa ni?
Chúng con phải đang ăn rồi bữa đi ăn nó mới
Và quý vị mòn quên rồi.
Eh, awo bi mo ne ya.
rồi mà nó bảo
Cả đi đâu mà xem ra số bộ. Cả. Mà xem bơ cái gì bên năm này ra đúng với cả năm tuổi lên bờ mà. Ana mi longo senya bana yinye iso go. Ai de mari mfanna.
abi lo na be biar bom ko na to ana ban sin ko bi me hin na me lo ka wara biar to na me ato ka me ji ni ko ta ah le ka me sun ji ni di te
Ni de ngoro jingwo ke raya ko. Ro ka bani. Tenho.
Okay. 2.
Si fa che mi danno ne danno.
Go no 90. Kita ni mana? Dia na yang buat misalnya ko.
Ndembo.
Aku yang no kiri.
Awo swim guy.
Spin guy 15 bon mango yo inde. Bo ma bo ro ganyen da white an ba ni.
Yen me white.
Ba ga ni.
Tenho. Yabo 1000 man di nyari am fai. Me aram go so. Wa ko sin sa.
Mfane. No.
Yo sen na kam ko ba. Yan di.
Okay, no worries.
Yan lu mai nya na so ai. Eh.
So guys, sorry I was busy with customer, sorry for that. So you can see the positive. This is the positive of the speaker. So you can see the wire. So I want to connect the negative right now. So for the speaker, 8 ohms speaker is okay. Okay, highest is 8 ohms. If the speaker is higher than 8 ohms, I'll show you what to do. You need to reduce the master volume a little bit, so that when the owner of the phone, when the owner of the MP3 is increasing the volume, so that the volume will not be able to spoil the IC. Okay, so let's connect the negative side. I'll still use the jumper. So have in mind that the pin 8 is the negative side. Okay, you can see. So let me connect it. Been late, man. Yeah, late. Emedosi, I can see you. Emedosi Desmond, thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay. So let's drag it. My dear technician, you can do this and make a lot of money. You can do this. I told you guys that before. I used to repair television, radio set, amplifier. I used to build amplifier. I used to do a lot of things before. When I was repairing phone, I was not only focusing on phone repairs. I used to do other things. I do a lot of things just to make money. My dear technician, is not easy. I thank God for my life. I work hard. I work tirelessly to make sure have something to eat. So let's connect. I used to build inverter completely from the scratch, transformer winding, a lot of things. My technician, check this out. So you can see the negative and the positive. I'm done with the speaker connection. So we have some pin left here. You can see that we have about 2 pin left. Let me show you the 2 pin. We have this one left, or we also have this one left. Let's check if the pin is useful or not useful, because there are some IC that when you want to connect them for a particular thing, some pins are not useful. Like it's not compulsory, it's not recommended that you do, like you don't have to use it, because if you use it, it's not going to work for what you're connecting. Okay, take note of that. Okay, let's check the pin 1. The pin 1 is positive. The pin 2 is the audio input. The pin 3 is negative. The pin 4 is not in use. Okay, the pin 4 is not connected. Take note that the pin 4 is not in use. Let's go to pin 5. The pin 5 is the speaker. The pin 6 is the negative. Okay, the pin 7 is not connected. Okay, not in use. The pin 7 is not in use. The pin 8 is the speaker negative. Okay, so now let's test it by powering on the circuit to see if it works. If you want your circuit to look nice, you want it to look, look good, you can put LED bulb, so that when you connect power into it, the circuit will start shining. Okay, if you want to do that, you're free, you can do that. Okay, so this is LED. Let me check if it's working. I will show you guys how you can connect it. It's very simple. If you want your circuit to look nice, look good, I will show you. Okay, so first of all, let me test if the LED is still working. I'll just pick it here. Okay, you can see it's still working. So if you want your circuit to look nice, designing stuff, you can add this. So let's add it. You can add it here. But have in mind that this one is not compulsory. The LED section is not compulsory. If you don't want it, you can just keep doing your thing. It will still work, so it's not really compulsory. I'm just putting this LED just for fancy, because I want my circuit to look nice. So that's one of the reasons why I'm putting this LED. So let's link it. You have to link. First of all, we are linking the negative. Just take your time to do it, okay? You don't have to rush. Okay, you can see we are done linking. The negative side, you can see. So the next thing is linking the positive side. Then for the positive side, we need a resistor, okay? We need a resistor. My dear technician, there's a mistake. There's a mistake right here. You can see there's a mistake. Here is the negative of the LED, so here is the positive. So there's a mistake. Have to remove the LED. Have to remove it and turn. It's very simple. Just remove the lid. Just heat up and then remove it. Okay. Just turn, because this is the positive side and this side is the negative side. You can see. So this side here is the negative side. So put it this way. You can see. So for the positive side, we are going to put a resistor for the positive side. So I'm not going to link the positive directly to the LED. There will be a resistor. So the negative will be linked directly to the LED. Okay. If you have question, you're free. Let me know in the comment section if you have question. Check this out. I'm done linking. You can see I'm done linking. Very simple. So now we are going to put a resistor. For the resistor, we are going to use, you can use 220 ohms. It will still work depending on the LED that you're using. So this is a white LED. You can use 10K resistor will still work, but the LED will not shine. The bulb will not shine too much. So you can use 220, you can use 10K to still work. Okay. So for this, I'm going to use 10K. I'm going to use 10K. I don't really want it to shine too much, but before then I have to test it to see if it will work, if the shyness will shine the way I want it or not. You can test it. Make sure that you apply solder. Okay. So you can see I've perfectly connected. This is a 10K resistor. I want to show you guys what I'm talking about before. Okay, let me input power. Let me connect. So always apply lead, okay, before you connect it. So let's check the negative side, the negative input. So this side is the negative input. So let's connect here. Okay, you can see this is the negative. Now let me connect the positive. So this side here is a positive. So now our circuit is ready. You can see our circuit is fully ready. You can see our circuit is ready. So first of all, I'm going to test the LED. Have in mind that this IC can receive up to 6 volts. Okay, have in mind that this IC can receive up to 6 volts. So if you put 7 volts, there will be a problem. So I recommend you put 6 volts. Highest is 6 volts. It can work from 3.5 volts to 6 volts. This IC can work from 3.5 volts to 6 volts. Okay, so wow, you can see it's lighting. You can see it's lighting. So you can see that our LED works with even 10K. I wanted to show you guys first before I connect it. So let me connect it very well. So when you try to separate a shot like this and it's not separating, don't worry, just put paste. Go. Now check the magic. You can see just one hand, you're good to go. Now let's put our resistor. So there are so many styles and so many ways on how you can put your resistor. So for me, I like this style, so I'm choosing this one. You can see. If you have questions, you're free, let me know in the comment section. If you have questions concerning this, feel free, talk to me. Check this out. I'm done. Okay, I'm done. So I'm done with my small amplifier circuit. You can see it's done 100%. So the next thing is I need to connect speaker. So this is speaker. So this one here goes to the white. So this one here is a positive, so it's going to go to this one. So this is our positive and negative input. So first of all, we connect the positive and we connect our negative. So the next thing is checking if it's working or not by grounding to check. Okay, there's no sound coming out from the speaker. You don't hear any sound. So let me check if the problem is from the speaker or not. The problem is not from the speaker, so let's check. So here we have our audio input. So this is our audio input. So I want to lay a wire here. I need to do that right now. To let me know. Okay. So let's input power again. Yeah. Bona mama. But I have to make in the next 1 hour, bro.
In the next
1 hour, 1 hour time, bro. I'm talking about it. Check time is 2 4. No, by 5 I didn't. Flexible. Copy sing I'm changing it now, right? So let's connect our speaker.
Open. Bây giờ càng open nó nổi một. Dạ ấy xin đi về 500 này đây ra.
Because I mean, when you use the thing come up, so I give the job block and you don't need like 14%. So I remove out to on and now. You know, yes. Nothing wrong. Nothing you already check. But I
Power flex if no. Power flex if no, I need it in the
Battery.
Now power flex down.
You say you put no, I don't want it.
So if I you up on board, it's not.
Power place.
Okay.
So guys, let's continue. Sorry, I was busy. Let's continue.
See.
Okay guys, so there's no sound going straight to the speaker. There's no sound, meaning that something is wrong. Okay, don't worry, I will solve it. Okay, just calm down and check what I will do. If you have questions, you are free. Let me know in the comment section. If you have questions, please let me know right now in the comment section. I want to see your question. If you have questions, please let me know in the comment section. Please, I really want to see your question. I want to answer a lot of people's questions right now. Say 5 volts. On. My dear technician, as you can see right now that audio is not going straight to the speaker. Let me check where the error is coming from, whether it's from this wire or if it's from anywhere else. Let me start checking using my multimeter. In case you encounter this type of issue, don't worry. Just go ahead and check where the error is coming from. So first thing I will check if there is power. Okay, we have 4.7 volts here. Here is 0. So let me check if the problem is from this wire. It's not from the wire. By the technician. So this is the circuit. I have a lot of them here. You can see it's still the same thing. It works great, nothing is wrong. So there's an error here, so I'm trying to fix it right now. Please don't go anywhere. Stay tuned, please. Don't go anywhere. Okay. I try. Yeah. Okay. Later, I check it. I'm very busy now. I'm going to So guys, okay, let's continue. Sorry, I was checking something. Sorry, my customers. There are plenty. Go back to it. So guys, I made a mistake. I'm sorry for that. Let me show you guys the mistake that I made. Check this out. I'm sorry for that, guys. I made a mistake. Look, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I made a mistake. I counted from this side. Instead of counting from this side, I start counting from here. So that is the mistake I make. So I'm going to change this one to this one. It's going to work. Okay. So when doing your own, you have to check, don't make mistake. Okay, I made a mistake, so make sure you correct it. No, paste. Okay, don't worry, get it correct. So no. So let's count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number 6. Okay, this is number 6. So we are connecting this thing directly here to this one. This is 3. This is number 6. So we are joining this one and this one together. Sorry. So it's gonna be my phone. I'm eating biscuit, you can see I'm hungry. So guys, it's working. Check this out. So it's working now. Congratulations, it's working. Check this out. So let me reduce. You can see increase. See something. It's working now. So let me play some music for you guys. See. So this is the MP3. So this is the MP3. So you can see that there's no sound IC. You can see there's no sound IC, that they have already removed it. So I'm going to connect. This is the positive input of this one to this, and it's going to work like magic. So let's do that right now. This is the speaker. Let me zoom out for you guys to see. You can see very well. So if you have question, let me know in the comment section. So this is the PCB. So let me on the PCB. Let me on. If it's off now, let me on. This is the on button. You can see it's on. So here is the input. So button flex and what if now? I already changed button flex. So let me select. So let's check. This is the audio input. 500 kilo. If you have question, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, 5 kilo. 5 kilo. On. Yeah, I work. I work, yeah. On. Printer is heading plug. It's low battery. My dear technician, there's an error with the MP3. So I'm trying to make sure I get sound from it. My dear technician, something's wrong with the MP3, so we are going to use another one. Since something's wrong with this one, I will drop this one. Where is the other MP3? So this one, you also have some issue here. So let me check. So here is the sound IC. So first of all, I'm going to power on the MP3. You can see that the MP3 is powered on. So my dear technician, I made a mistake, so let me correct it right now. See, when you want to connect, let me tell you the truth. When you want to connect off this is off. When you want to connect the sound from this Bluetooth PCB to the amplifier, okay, you need to connect the ground. If there's no ground, it will not play. So I did not connect the ground. I made a mistake. So I did not connect the ground. So let me connect ground now so that it will play. So let me connect the ground. Oh, no, yeah, no. So let me connect ground. Give me lead. Put lead here. Okay. Turn lead me now. Put lead here. Put lead here. Put lead. What's up? That means Facebook. What's up? Facebook. So this is ground, okay? This is the ground. Make sure you connect this ground to this one here. Let me show you. To the input, to the negative input. I'm late, me. Come on. Okay. So come to the negative, which is this one. Connect. So now we have ground. So it's going to play. How much? I know they don't. So now let me, okay. Now let's go. 1, 2, ready, and we go. Oh. Off, output now. So guys, we have successfully fixed it. Check this out. 1, 2, ready, and go. Let me turn it on. Turn on. So listen. Let me on. 1, 2, ready, and go. Listen. Is on right now. So let me play music for you guys. Where's my phone? Give me my Android phone. Okay. So this is my Android phone. You can see. So this is my Android phone. Okay. So let me connect. I think it's this one. I don't know. Or this one. Let me try this one. You have a lot of Bluetooth around here. So I'm trying this one first to see. I want to connect it and play for you guys. Okay, is this one? Thank God. Okay, now it's connected. So let me play. Let me play music for you guys to see that it's working. I don't know what to play now because of copyright, guys. Let me just play this one. Oh, it's not even this Bluetooth I'm connecting to. I'm connecting to another Bluetooth, guys. Let me try this one. I connect to another Bluetooth that is not this one. Okay, boom, we are connected. Now here, 1, 2, ready, guys. Art is fully, sorry. 1, 2, ready, go. Here, let me. I hope you're hearing. I don't want to play for a long time because of copyright. Please understand with me, guys. Don't know. Let me look for another music. Let me look for another music here and play. For that sound, that sound, I can filter it out. It's because of the power, my power supply. So I can filter it out. So let me play. Let me look for another music and play. Let me play this one. you are hearing. So let me start again. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, ready, and go. Can you? So I hope you're hearing right now that it's working with bars, 100% working. So guys, it's because of copyright. That's why I can't play for a long time, because I don't want any issue. So that's why. So let me try another music right here. Let me try this one. You can see. So it's playing. You can see it's working. This is the speaker. You can see where the speaker is connected to. You can see. You can see. This is the speaker right here. You can see. You can see where it's connected to. So this IC is responsible for the sound. You can see. So this IC amplify the sound. You can see where it goes to. So I'll put small sound. Yeah. Give me talking about paper. Ready? Agbe náà ń pé wọ́n lè. Mẹ́mọ́. Gbọ́dọ̀ owó máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ìdílé rẹ̀ dáadáa power bank káàdì. So maybe because my company only my uncle, I'm going to try. Battery model man, I think so need your battery boost. And they try to lay out. So depending on yeah. But you can guess it. Yeah, I'm going to try to lay out. So I'm going to be on coming out of it. Yeah, I'm doing try getting down, but I'm going to find another way for the other one. Yeah, some days yeah, what do you mean? Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to But estimation of I guessed maybe around maybe 16 to 17,000. So I guessed as estimation of stereo. Play it, make a. But I don't go one day. I don't go see because I did it. You might have a tongue now. You don't go. You got an enemy. Mbonga video mfan.
Agora liga. Hã? 25. The only one I do that.
25 we get it. Now you 25. No, no, you name it. You don't go for price ever. Go on big video. 25 get it.
Ada jawab saya boleh.
Okay, the morning is 2 times. Okay, 25. Okay. Mbongo ya ben bobi yo. Yeah. I'm funny though, no one. Mbongo ya dina. Ya. Mbongo what is it? Mbongo. Yeah. So. But the movie you now. Okay. I connect another MP3. Let me check. This MP3 and this one. Good. The edition is working. This is without easy power. So that sound is no more. Okay, you can see. This is the amplifier sound. You can see. This is the amplifier sound, and it's powered by this battery. This is the battery of the Bluetooth. So it's 100% working. So the owner of this MP3 will enjoy. Make sure you share this video, please. Share this video. In fact, let me play Bluetooth or radio. I think there's radio here. Let me play radio. So guys, you can see. Let me video. Call it and video. Show this video my face so that they will see it's me. I hate to mention you saw everything step by step when I started this thing. It took me a lot of time, but finally, this is something that I've been doing in fact, I do it every week. Okay? I sold a lot of them. I used to do it and sell out. I sold a lot of them. If you want it, you can let me know. You can do this at the comfort of your home. It's very simple. Nothing like a lot of components, just the IC, capacitor, jumper wire, variable resistor for the volume, for the master volume, and you're good to go. Okay, it's simple. Okay, check this out. You saw the mistake that I made. Okay, that mistake I purposely do it because I want you guys to see so that you won't do such mistake. Okay, I don't want you guys to do such mistake. When you're working, make sure you check what you're doing. Okay, I wanted to correct you guys. That was why I did that. Okay, now you saw everything. Make sure that this is the PCB. Come. So this is the Bluetooth PCB. Make sure that you ground it with the amplifier. You ground the negative. You can see that is ground. You can see. Check the negative is ground with the amplifier. If not, the audio will not play. Make sure you ground it first before you connect. This one here, you can see the power input. This one here is from the battery, you can see. So make sure that you connect it to the power button so that whenever you turn the Bluetooth on, the IC will also turn on. Okay, if you connect it direct to battery, the amplifier IC, this circuit will still be on even after you turn off the Bluetooth. So make sure you connect it to the power button so that whenever you turn on the power button, the sound circuit will turn on automatically, everything play. So this is from the battery. You can see this is from the battery. You can see oh, this is the sound circuit. Now let me play. You can see this is live video. This is live video. So you can see that it's working. This is like, show me, let me show you. You can see this is complete. You can see it's working. You can see. Let me play again. So you can see it's working. So now if you check here, you see this is the lights. Okay, you can see it's working. 100% working, live proof. I do my thing live for you guys to see. This is 100% working with bass. In fact, this sound circuit is even powered, is more power. Okay, it's more power than the one that was here. The one that was here was not even power like this one. This one is playing with bass, heavy bass. You can see how the speaker is shaking with heavy bass. And let me play again. You can see it's working 100%. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so when you're done, just need to cut some of the parts. Just cut some place here, put inside here. Look for place here. We have a lot of space here. Put and you're good to go, guys. It's very simple. I've been saying this. I have a see another one here. See, this is what I've been doing, and I made a lot of money from this. So on Saturday, join me live. I will do this video again. Okay, join me live Saturday. I will still show you guys how you can connect this. Okay, I will start from the scratch again. I have the ice another one, so I will show you from the scratch how you can be able to connect it. So join me live on Saturday. Okay, don't forget, join me live on Saturday. One love. I love you guys. See you in my next video. So let me change to the front side. My technician, so bye bye for now. I don't want to off this video, like I don't want to cut it. I just feel somehow I don't want to, cut off this video because of I want you guys to oh my god, I love you all. So I'll post this on Facebook. So if you're on Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you are, link me up. I love you all and see you my next video. Bye for now. I'll be live again shortly. Bye for now. Love you all. So let me go off.